All right, my name is Joss and this is Wild Womb. I am so happy you're here because today we are talking about healing killer period cramps with womb meditation. If you think it's not possible or you're thinking like, what am I on? Like how? I used to think this as well. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna guide you through it. And these practices have really changed my life, and I'm just really so honored to share them with you. So Wild Womb is here to help you on your beautiful and unique healing journey, and also to help you reclaim your feminine power, to step into your body, your inner wisdom, to wake up every day feeling excited and joyful, to be in your body, to have these experiences instead of being at their mercy. So I don't know about you, but years and years ago, I used to have really, really horrible period cramps. The worst. They were debilitating. I could not move. I was in bed for days. I was throwing up, and it was a nightmare. Worse than that was almost like the anticipation, the anxiety of knowing that I was gonna get my period. So it was like this vicious cycle, right? Of like, I don't want to get my period, I hate my period, and then when I had it, it was just like this horrible pain, and kept going and going and going. You see how, yes, there was a physical pain, but also there's this mental and emotional aspect to it as well. And it all sort of goes together and creates this horrible experience. So with the meditation, this is something for your mind, body, and soul. And what we know about healing now is that it's all connected. Here, maybe this is true for you, is you go to the doctor and you say, look, I've got like the worst cramps ever. Please, like, is there anything that you can give me? The doctor typically will give you, pain pills to mask the pain, tell you to go on consecutive birth control. Lots of ways to mask the pain, lots of ways to block the natural experience of your bleeding, but not any solution that is just a holistic way to be with your period, to love it, to nurture it, and to let it flow and be natural and healthy. So that is what the Wild Womb approach is all about, is, living in your body, loving your body, enjoying your experiences. You can do it. You can do this. So with the womb meditation, there's so many meditations that you can do. Like, there's just so many womb meditations. There's so many meditations to get into your body. So consider this a very gentle taster, a way for you to dip your toes into this work. Let's do a beautiful, gentle, and loving womb meditation. You're invited to get comfortable. Find a really nice sacred spot. If you got the TV on, this is a really, really good time to turn it off so you can tune inwards to your beautiful body. Okay, so hopefully now you are seated comfortably and you're in a sacred, peaceful space to do this womb meditation. So think about your mind, body, and soul all connecting now to send love and kindness and compassion to your beautiful womb. By charging your hands up, okay? So just sort of charge your hands up. Maybe think about something kind that you want to give to your body, like a message or a feeling. I want more compassion. I want more patience with myself, more love. So charge your hands up. And then there's an invitation to either bring your hands over your legs, your arms, your breasts, anywhere that you like, and just really tuning into the sensation of touch. And if this is difficult for you, if you're like, I've got a million things to do, and like, what's happening over there? It's okay. It's natural. Just give yourself a chance and know that these practices take time. So as you do this, you're really, really thinking about this feeling, this touch, moving slow. And then perhaps you could say something loving. What could you say? Maybe like, I love you to your body, or I'm with you, I see you, I feel you. Just something simple to build that connection. And next you're going to bring your hands over your heart space. So what's something that you want to feel in your heart space? Maybe it's just awareness. Hands charge up with awareness, and then you bring them over your beautiful heart. And then how does it feel to take a breath in and out? Like, could you really feel that expansion as you inhale and exhale, coming into your body, being present with your body. Trying that again. Take a nice big inhale, feel that beautiful expansion, and exhale all the way out. Now there's an invitation to move your hands over your womb space. So you could do a downward triangle. This is known as the Yoni Mudra. Yoni is just Sanskrit for womb space. So you could bring your hands over your beautiful womb, and same idea. So starting to bring your awareness into the center of your womb, softening in your shoulders, your jaw, your belly. And perhaps you could picture like a twinkling star or a lotus flower in the center of your womb. And then how does it feel to take a breath in and out right in the center of the womb? Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhaling and exhaling. Think about, for all beings who menstruate, in society there's this sort of message to feel guilt or judgment or shame, or to keep it hidden, the experience with your womb. So saying something simple like I love you or I'm with you, it's like a dear friend, that's a really empowering and positive relationship that you can build. And that's going to contribute to the health of your period. So notice how that feels now. I'm with you. And then release. There you go. How did that feel? It was so simple. It was just a little introduction for you, but we did some affirmations. You connected to your breathing. You connected to your womb. You sent some positive affirmations to your womb as well as your heart. You did all of this in, not too long, under 5 minutes. It's not about spending crazy hours every single day. It's actually just about consistency. Can you do this for a couple minutes every day and just change those pathways, just pave a new way forward, a new vision forward for your health? So congrats to you. I'm so happy that you are here. If you're curious to work with me, I have private one-on-one sessions that I do online with women from around the world. And I also have a 10-week online discovery journey to ignite your sexual and creative power. Women from around the world are doing this stuff. They are stepping into their bodies. They are reclaiming their power, and so can you. If you go to my website, there is a free guide there for you now. And I hope that you get it because it's amazing. You'll have tools for life. So wildwomb.space, and you can grab it. You can sign up and it'll go straight to your inbox. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'm sending you so many blessings and so much love to your beautiful womb to have a healthy, happy period. You can have this. Mwah.